So we're going to go over how to make dandelion tea. And here I'm just digging up the dandelions. You want to start a little away from the plant because the root can branch out. And I do this so that I dig in a fashion that I can just put the clump of dirt right back in. I kind of break the dirt in half around the root and pull it out. Here I am cleaning the dandelion root. We're using filtered water there, but you can use any type of water. We've never used pesticides on our lawn, and we live out in a rural setting, so we try to keep our area as toxic free or pesticide free as possible. I'm sure they're good for you either way, but I don't know, fertilized and pesticide lawn, you might want to find another source for your dandelions if you're going to ingest them. So you can use the leaves as well for salads. A lot of people do. I used to as a kid. But we use a combination of the root and the leaves to make the tea, and the flower when it's in season, but the flower is not out for very long. The dandelions you can harvest pretty much all year round. So here I am slicing them into little slices at an angle. I want to make sure that you get all that you can out of the actual dandelion. And I'm just throwing them in some mason jars here, as you can see. Don't really think that needs explained. Boiling some water, and then you fill the dandelions jars up with boiling water. If you can hear my dog lapping water in the background, sorry about that. And we use these stainless steel lids. I'll put a link in Amazon just to be as non-toxic as possible. And then I let it sit out on the counter for a day and put it in the fridge. The end.